Guys, look at that Jalan you're doing here.
I didn't have any smaller toothpaste, so I don't want to waste my toothpaste. I need to get it into the into the smaller one. What, would you help me waste toothpaste?
No. And then you have a toothpaste now.
Yeah. Make it for real?
No. How are you going real inside the airport? Guys, nakarating na kami guys. Look at that, our apartment. Then dito guys, makikita nyo dito ay cabinet. Yan. Dustbin, then frying pan if you want to cook. Yan guys, dito pwede kang magluto dito kung gusto mo. Then yan, kumpleto, may plato, baso, and mangkok. Then dito guys, for wine, glass, heater, then big plate for rice and soup, then rice cooker, then big TV, microwave, big TV and microwave. Then here it's a mirror. Then look at that, the light, it's so nice. Then here it's sofa, then more mirror. Oh. Maganda guys dito mag-relax guys. Then yun guys, makikita nyo naman dito yan, oh. Fig tree, then this one design. Then dito may lamisa and upuan para sa kainan. Then merong baso dito para sa kape. Then yan mga design guys. Then TV, yan design dun sa taas. Then si Dilo na yan. Yan dito sa gilid guys, ilaw, then wifi and flower, then karaoke machine kung gusto mong magkanta, then pick lives again. Then makikita nyo dito guys ang aming room. Yan ang bed, merong 5 pirasong unan. Guys, sobrang lambot ng kama. Comfortable ka talaga dito guys matulog. Then yan aircon guys. Then another light. Then yan. Then dito guys merong upuan kung gusto mo may gagawin ka, mag makeup o ano. Ayan, merong salamin. Then fake rose. Then another ilaw guys. Then tingnan natin guys dito yung view. Wow, sobrang bigat ng pintuan guys. Tingnan nyo yung view guys dito. Then meron dito yung lamisa sa labas. Then upuan guys, kung pwede ka magkain dito. Then magtingin ng view. Then makikita nyo guys ngayong gabi na. Yan ang mga view guys. Mga sasakyan at saka doon banda merong bridge. Then yan building. Buti naman guys nakarating kami dito ng safe. Ngayon ay look like kahaba thunderstorm guys. Parang may ulan na darating guys kasi nakita ko yung thunderstorm. Look at that thunderstorm. guys, naghanap kami ng tubig.
6.6 liters or something.
Maybe just like that bonus low price.
The bonus one, and then we'll just try and drink loads of water.
Then bring tomorrow in airport.
Yeah, is there any sort
Oh,
of
milk.
snacks we need
How
to
much
get?
milk here? 107? A little lower.
Yeah.
Then, ditong noodles. Oh, powder.
Powder, washing powder.
Yeah, we need powder, guys.
Let's have it like this.
Look, guys, the view. Ito yung view ng terrace namin, guys, dito sa apartment. Yan, puro building, bahay. Then makikita niyo yung plane. Medyo malapit siguro dito ang airport, guys. Pero hindi ko nakikita ng student. Guys, dito magkakape ako at meron ditong turon na binili namin kanina sa labas. Yan. Turon at saka lumpia. Ito lumpia, tugi. Yan siya, guys. Ang hangin dito, guys. Sa 26th floor kami, guys. Lumpia, pero sobrang laki, guys. Yung loob niya, guys, tugi. Ano? Sabi merong suka dito, guys. I-try natin kung anong lasa. Malagyan to ng suka eh. Pero hindi masyadong marami. Mas masarap pag mayroong suka nito. Pero halos lahat ata tugi, parang kalabasa yung loob. Then kape, guys, sobrang laki ng baso. Bago naman kami nakakape ngayon pagbalik kami dito sa Manila, pero dun sa Taiwan hindi namin masyado, hindi kami walang kape doon na offer sa mga hotel. Puro tea, pero hindi ako masyadong mahilig, guys. Kaya ngayon na naman kape, na miss ko yung kape sa Pilipinas. It's good. Coffee ko Blanca. Then dito, guys, yan. Naglalaba kami, guys, para pag uwi namin bukas sa Palawan, lahat ng mga damit namin na dala-dala malinis. Yan pala, guys, yung shower dito, dalawa. Yung isa pwede mainit, yung isa malamig lang siya, guys. Yan ang sira. Then mirror. Then dito, guys, merong lalagyan ng toothbrush at saka Colgate. Guys, ito ang namin ngayon pagkain. Kanin, langgunisa at saka kamatis. Kain, guys. I guess that. Yung kay Delon guys, maraming kamatis. Ay, hindi kasi ako masyadong maraming kumakain ng kamatis.
Hi, thank you, Anne.
You're welcome. You go eat.
I'm gonna film you now.
Sige.
I've got you, vlogging me. I'm vlogging you right back. Gotcha. No, I'm the winner.
Good morning guys, for today's video, I'm eating breakfast. Then guys, yun yung niluto ko. Maaga akong nagising kasi ngayon ng flight namin guys. Yan. Langgonisa, sabay merong salted egg with tomato and egg. Then coffee. Pauwi na kami guys sa Palawan. Dito pa kami guys sa Manila, kaya kailangan namin mag-aga doon kasi ma-traffic dito guys. Kain guys. Guys, pasakay na kami guys. Si Delon naiwan doon sa ulihan. Guys, papunta na kami ng Palawan. Yeah!
What's the matter?
Sige na.
Tense about flight?
Oh no. Ayan guys.
Basically, you're more like
Grabing busy pa.
you know,
Hintay ko muna guys.
crash or falling off a cliff.
Finally guys, nakarating na kami. Welcome to Palawan.
Finally back.
Yeah. Pauwi na kami guys sa Aborlan. Mag-aabang kami ng multicab dun sa labas ng airport. There's some there maybe here in the center.